Hi, my name is Leah. I'm a senior in high school. I'm 18 years old. I'm about to go to college, and I think my biggest concern is really just the future of our environment and trying to protect the natural resources that we have for future generations because things might seem okay now, but I think our biggest worries are how we're going to live in 10, 20 years from now. And I think that it's really important to kind of consider how the environment and sustainability plays into everything that we learn about in school, because I think that's kind of something that we're lacking right now in sciences and math and really just every kind of aspect. There is something that where we can work together to fix the issues that we have in the climate and really just band together to solve these problems.
Hi, my name is Rahila Masood. I'm raising my junior year in Manor Senior High School. My biggest concern about the climate change is revolve around the impact of our community and environment. I worry more about the frequent weather events that are raising sea levels and threatening coastal areas. I'll lose biodiversity, and it's essential for us to work together and find solutions and adapt to these changes.
Hi, I'm Ella. I've lived in Austin my whole life, and recently I've gotten really involved in like the environmental space and stuff like that. I think at first, I was dealing with a lot of anxiety like during COVID and stuff like that, and like our generation, I think like as a whole, like humanity really just started discovering like environmental issues and stuff like that, and I think I started seeing a lot of information about like our world's state and how bad it was and things like that. And I think it was really easy to be discouraged by all of that because the information that of course catches our eyes is how bad things are.
Hi, my name is Layla Connor. I'm a senior at Manor Senior High School. I feel in our generation we don't really care about our environment as much as we did in the past, and I think most teenagers should get into our environment and just help our ways because we're getting more into technology and stuff, and it's a good thing, and we can use technology for our environment to make it a better and sustainable place.
It's vital for adults to recognize the urgency of addressing climate change and actively support a policy and action that promote resilience.
I think participating in organizations like these with EcoRise, I mean, I've done their Green Careers internship, and this is my second year participating with EcoRise with the Youth Climate Council, and it's been so helpful to know that there are other kids who have the same concerns that I do, and we are all really working to make a difference and actually solve the problems, and that there are adults that are supporting us along the way.
I think what really stuck with me is like getting involved in community organizations and like learning about the solution, because I think so often in this like age of discovery about the climate and its state, we're just hearing all the bad things and all the negatives, and we're discovering how bad quality is, and then we're also seeing all these new construction projects. And so I think it's really encouraging when you actually get out in the community and see what it is that we can do instead of just realizing all the things that we need to do, like actually getting involved in it and making the change that needs to happen. And so I think what adults and other generations can do to support us is stop like shifting the conversation from, oh well, it's better than what it used to be and things like that, or how bad things are, and start focusing on like what we can do to change it, because this is our future and it matters to us, and we want to learn how to fix it instead of just focusing on all the problems.